The logistics supply chain is complex and interconnected, making it vulnerable to a wide range of risks and disruptions. These risks can have a significant impact on businesses, causing delays, increased costs, and even lost sales. According to a LinkedIn article written by Sonny MBM, supply chain risks are a critical concern for companies that rely on a network of suppliers and partners to produce and deliver goods and services. These risks can lead to disruptions in the supply chain, which can result in delayed shipments, increased costs, and lost revenue.
The nature of our industry has taught us that we must be prepared to face unexpected situations and pivot as fast as we can in order to succeed. However, not always our infrastructure is ready to face risks and disruptions as they come. Managing risk and disruption in the logistics supply chain is crucial for ensuring smooth operations and minimizing negative impacts. I want to suggest some great practices that allow us to mitigate this negative impact. The number one is diversification. We could be vulnerable if we rely on just one supplier or partner. Those partners and suppliers can ensure that they are not facing the same threats as we do. Developing relationships with multiple suppliers and building strategic partnerships with reliable logistics providers will give us several options to react faster to difficult situations. The real-time visibility and monitoring is the number two. What we don't measure, we can control and we can modify or even improve. Implementing advanced tracking technologies and data analysis for real-time visibility into supply chain is important to gather the information that help us mitigate or modify processes according to the market conditions. The number three is supply chain mapping. We can control or improve what we don't know. Understanding the entire supply chain helps identifying critical points and potential risks. Create a detailed supply chain map including suppliers, transportation routes, and key facilities. This mapping is necessary to conduct periodic assessment processes to identify possible threats or challenges that dictate us to modify our strategies. The number four is communication and collaboration. We're stronger if we work with trustworthy partners and suppliers. Effective communication is vital for coordinating disruptions by fostering strong communication channels with suppliers, partners, and internal teams. Collaborate closely to share information and address challenges collectively. And the last but not the least is continuous improvement and learning. The definition of madness is to keep doing the same and expect different results. This is why learning from past disruptions and challenges is very important because it helps in redefining the strategies. Conduct post-event analysis, gather feedback, and incorporate lessons learned into continuous improvement processes. In a nutshell, an integrated approach that combines diversification, collaboration, and proactive risk management is essential for successfully navigating disruptions in the logistics supply chain. Adapting to change, learning from experiences, and building solid partnerships are key elements in building a resilient and robust logistics system.
We all know that in this complex world of logistics, disruptions can occur at any moment, threatening the flow of goods and services. To ensure the resilience and efficiency of your logistics supply chain, there are some best practices that I've brought today. So the top three you should consider is number one, supply chain visibility. First, this is paramount. You must have eyes on every aspect of your supply chain, from the manufacturer to the end customer. Utilize all the technologies we have, like IoT, RFID, and of course GPS, to gain real-time insights into the location and condition of your goods. 2. Diversify suppliers and partners. We want to avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your suppliers and partner network. Relying too heavily on a single source of transportation provider can be risky. We want to try to build relationships with multiple suppliers and logistics partners, and you'll have backup options in case of disruptions. And number three is risk assessment and mitigation. This is critical. We want to regularly assess potential vulnerabilities in the supply chain. Utilize data analytics to identify patterns and trends that can help you prepare for and mitigate risks. Develop contingency plans for identified risks so you're ready to respond swiftly when disruption occurs. And by following these practices, you'll be better equipped to manage risks and disruptions in your logistics supply chain, ensuring that your operation remain resilient and efficient. And remember, supply chain visibility, diversifying your partners, robust risk management are your keys to success in the world of logistics.